So today we're at the Mohawk State Park Trail, and it runs along Route 2, which goes from goes through Charlemont towards the North Adams. And as you can see, it also has a campground on it, which just opened, and it's basically deserted. About four campsites taken. But what's awesome and amazing about this campsite, this area, is a lot of sites actually, and they're only a few dollars a night. You have to book early because they do pack up, and there's bathrooms and showers facilities, but just the ability to camp, 50 feet from the river, right? Just absolutely stunning and beautiful. And there's cabins up the hill, and then there's it's called Indian Trail. It's up there, and that goes up about a mile, and it's got a scenic viewpoint from about 1,700 feet. I'll show you some more as we go, but just stunning park, and for only a few dollars a night. It's amazing. To Mohican Mohawk Trail. Here's some more of the campground. As you can see, there's hardly anybody here, which is perfect time of year to come. And they allow you to just walk it if you don't, if you're not camping or renting a cabin. They do just allow you to walk the trails. And you really don't experience the river until Kiba decides it's time to experience the river. And him, forget it. He ain't getting anything wet. You can't. What a beautiful place.